Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone app download stuck in waiting or loading on home screen. So guys, when you have download any app from App Store in iPhone or in iPad and facing the issue that app is stuck on loading or on waiting on home screen in your phone. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, the main reason of this problem is your internet connection. So guys, if your internet connection is too weak, simply you have to change your internet connection. And guys, if you are using Wi-Fi, you need to turn on your Wi-Fi, and if you are using mobile data, simply you have to turn on your mobile data. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is a network problem, simply you need to click on general, and guys, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys, you need to reset your network settings. And after this, you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, after going to back, you need to check date and time. Make sure that date and time is set on automatically. And guys, select no language and region, and guys, select your region according to your country. And guys, after this, you need to go back. And guys, simply you have to open your App Store. So guys, maybe there is problem in your App Store. So guys, simply make sure that you have login your Apple ID. And guys, if you have already logged in your Apple ID, simply you have to sign out your Apple ID and sign in again after a few seconds. And guys, after doing this, after login your Apple ID again, simply you have to click on this tab. And guys, after clicking on it, you have to wait for some seconds. And here is the option of clear app usage data. Simply you need to clear it. And guys, after doing all the settings, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to download all the apps without any interruption. So guys, after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is update problem, iOS update problem, simply you have to check for update for your iPhone. So guys, if you have any kind of update here, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing update, you have to go back. And guys, at last you have to open your Apple Sport. And guys, you have to select here device, and you need to scroll it down, click on more, click on App Store. And after this, you have to wait for some seconds, click on call. And guys, you need to call at these two numbers and tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.